Preparing for PPSC, FPSC, CSS, lecturer, HEC, NTS, or a university class test? Don't skip these 20 most important history of education MCQs. Test your knowledge and see how many you can answer correctly before the answers appear. History of Education MCQs. 1. Who is known as the father of Western philosophy? Answer: Socrates. 2. Who founded the Academy in Athens? Answer: Plato. 3. Who established the Lyceum? Answer: Aristotle. 4. Which civilization is famous for the Gurukul system of education? Answer: Ancient India. 5. Which ancient civilization developed one of the earliest writing systems used in education? Answer: Mesopotamia. 6. Which ancient civilization is known for the House of Life schools? Answer: Ancient Egypt. 7. Who is regarded as the father of modern education? Answer: John Amos Comenius. 8. Who wrote the book Didactica Magna? Answer: John Amos Comenius. 9. Who emphasized learning through experience? Answer: John Dewey. 10. Who introduced the kindergarten system? Answer: Friedrich Froebel. 11. Who developed the Montessori method? Answer: Maria Montessori. 12. Who is known for the theory of naturalism in education? Answer: Jean-Jacques Rousseau. 13. Who wrote the book Émile? Answer: Jean-Jacques Rousseau. 14. Who is known for the philosophy of pragmatism? Answer: John Dewey. 15. Who founded Shantiniketan? Answer: Rabindranath Tagore. 16. Who is called the father of basic education in India? Answer: Mahatma Gandhi. 17. Which university is considered the oldest university in the world? Answer: University of Al-Qarawiyyin. 18. Who is known as the father of progressive education? Answer: John Dewey. 19. In which country did the Renaissance begin? Answer: Italy. 20. Which movement promoted scientific thinking and educational reform in Europe? Answer: the Enlightenment. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more educational MCQs.